Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to cover on how to write test cases for simple counter app written in React which uses Context API using Jest. Let's start by initializing our React app and setting up the required files. We'll create a counter context to handle our count state and actions like incrementing and decrementing the count. Inside the countercontext.js file, we'll define our context using createContext. Then, we'll set up a counter provider component that wraps our app. This provider will manage our count state and provide actions to update it. Next, within our app components, we'll consume this context using the useContext hook. We'll create buttons for incrementing and decrementing the count, and a display to showcase the current count value. Now, let's ensure our counter app works flawlessly. We'll write simple Jest test cases to check if our increment and decrement functions update the count correctly. Testing is crucial to guarantee our app behaves as intended. In this code, we're testing a counter app's functionality with two specific test cases. We import necessary modules like React, Render, Screen from @testing library/React, and counter context and counter provider from our counter context. We initiate our first test case. Within a counter provider, we render a div as a test child element. Using a screen.getByTestID, we verify if this test child is present in the document. In the second test case, we define a testComp component that uses the useContext hook to access the count value from counter context. We render testComp within counter provider and verify if the count value defaults to 0. Through these tests, we're ensuring that our counter provider renders its children correctly and that the useCounter hook within testComp properly accesses the initial default value of the count. That's a glimpse into how Jest simplifies the testing process in React. Testing ensures our components function as expected, providing a robust and reliable application. Join us for more testing insights in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.